Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best microscope set is probably one of the most exciting tools for anyone curious about the unseen world. This IQCrew 52-piece microscope set is a comprehensive kit designed to provide everything you need to explore the microscopic realm. From examining cells to observing tiny organisms, this set offers a fantastic opportunity to dive into the wonders of science and discovery, making it perfect for students and hobbyists alike. Number 5. National Geographic Kids Microscope Science Kit. This microscope is designed for young explorers. It features dual LED lights and high-quality optical glass eyepieces. This allows them to explore specimens with 20x or 50x magnification. The kit includes tweezers, a petri dish, an eyedropper, and more. It also comes with brine shrimp eggs, a hatchery station, prepared slides, and blank slides. It has everything needed to start exploring. With 35 prepared slides, it instantly sparks curiosity. These slides include algae, muscle cells, and plant cells. Kids can immediately explore a variety of cell structures. A detailed learning guide is included to describe the specimens. It also provides easy-to-follow instructions. Kids can even learn to make their own slides. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. All products are backed by exceptional service. If there are any issues, we will make things right. What we like. This microscope features dual LED lights, allowing you to view specimens large and small. It also comes with a complete science kit, including tweezers and prepared slides. If you're looking for a kit that instantly inspires wonder and provides a variety of specimens to explore, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The microscope has 10x and 25x lens that are easy to exchange. You have two different light sources, one from above your field of view and one below the stage that shines through the condenser lens, glass circular piece. This set also comes with a vial of brine shrimp eggs and a hatchery. Number 4. National Geographic Kids Microscope. This microscope is designed for young scientists. It's easy to use and offers a great view of specimens with adjustable features. With large focus knobs and a soft-touch eyepiece, it's simple to keep specimens in view. 3 levels of magnification and lights ensure a clear image. The kit includes prepared slides, rocks, minerals, and blank slides for creating your own. This will keep them entertained for hours as they explore. It comes with everything needed for experiments, like a pipette and tweezers. Kids can conduct experiments and investigate the world around them. The included lab guide offers viewing activities and a super scientist game. Kids can earn merit badge stickers for their accomplishments. This is a high-quality, hands-on science toy. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. This microscope is designed to be easy to use, with large focus knobs and an adjustable platform. It includes fascinating specimens like rocks and minerals, and a complete experiment kit. If you are looking for a microscope that makes it easy for kids to conduct science experiments, this is a great option. What people say. It works great and they can measure a lot about cells, and even put in the microscope other materials. The children liked seeing through the microscope, used common items from the yard. It's a good starter set with handy instructions and suggestions on how to use it too. Number 3. National Geographic Kids Microscope STEM Kit. Introducing the National Geographic Kids Microscope. This amazing kit lets kids explore a whole new world. It's easy to use and provides hours of fun. With large focus knobs and a soft-touch eyepiece, this microscope is designed for kids. The adjustable platform makes it easy to keep specimens in view. It's perfect for young scientists. This microscope features 3 levels of magnification and lights above and below. This ensures a great view every time. They will be amazed by what they can see. The kit includes prepared plant slides, rocks, minerals, and blank slides. Kids can prepare their own slides at home. They'll be entertained for hours. The kit comes with a pipette, specimen dish, and tweezers. It also includes easy-to-follow instructions. Kids can conduct tons of science experiments. The included lab guide has viewing activities and a super scientist game. It also includes merit badge stickers. This will help them use the microscope to the fullest. We hand-select our products to meet the highest quality standards. If your experience is anything less than extraordinary, let us know. We will make it right for you. What we like. This microscope is easy to use, with large focus knobs and a soft-touch eyepiece. It comes with fascinating specimens and a complete experiment kit. If you like a microscope that provides a complete science project set, this is a great choice. What people say. There are 2 different settings for the light, dim or bright, dot. It also have with slides ready to view. It had a higher magnification range than other kids' microscopes I was looking at. This one is simple, basic, easy to use, and kid-friendly. Number 2. Kids Microscope Kit, 100x, 1200x magnification. This amazing kit comes with 44 pieces, including prepared and blank slides. It allows kids to explore the fascinating world of biology and histology. They can observe and learn to their heart's content. This microscope is perfect for family time. It offers a fun and educational activity that can be enjoyed by all ages. It's a great way to bond and learn together. With 100x, 400x, and 1200x magnifications, this kit offers a view of the microbial world. It will captivate kids and adults alike. It's a fantastic way to discover the unseen world. This microscope kit is an excellent educational gift. It's perfect for homeschooling or as a gift for any occasion. It inspires a love for science and a thirst for knowledge. The metal body microscope kit comes in an ABS carry box. It's easy to transport, perfect for taking on the go or for use in the classroom. It makes learning fun and accessible anywhere. The kit includes 58 pieces, including specimens and tools. It provides everything needed to start exploring the microscopic world. It's a comprehensive and valuable set. We care about what matters to you. Our team is here to assist with any questions or concerns. We look forward to bringing joy to you and your loved ones. What we like. This kit offers high magnification, allowing kids to explore the microbial world. It provides endless exploration with numerous pieces and a portable suitcase. If you have a child who loves science and wants to explore the world around them, this is a fantastic option. What people say. So far, not one problem, and it was easy to use setup. The Microscope quality is perfect. She wants to use it every day because it's super easy and kid-friendly. Number 1. AmScope M162 Student Microscope, 40x, 1000x magnification. This student microscope offers a wide range of magnification, from 40x to 1000x. It allows you to explore the hidden details of the world around you, perfect for young scientists and curious minds. The microscope features both top and bottom LED lights. This dual illumination system ensures that you can clearly see both opaque and translucent specimens with ease. Built with a durable metal frame and coaxial focusing, this microscope provides stability and precision. It's designed to withstand years of use, making it ideal for students and hobbyists. It features a 360-degree rotatable monocular head and optical glass elements. The high-quality construction ensures clear and reliable observations for years to come. AmScope offers a wide range of microscopes and accessories. They are dedicated to providing high-quality products for education and scientific exploration. What we like. This microscope offers high magnification and dual LED illumination for clear viewing. It also features a sturdy metal frame, ensuring stability and precision. If you're looking for a durable and versatile microscope for students or hobbyists, this is a great choice. What people say. It has 4x, 10x, and 40x magnification, just like any microscope we would have used in school. It also has an option to light an object from the top, so you can magnify non-translucent objects, like a leaf or a little pile of powdered sugar. That's what we've looked at so far, anyway. The microscope has clear, sharp, scratch-free lens. Dual light source allows for viewing slides and larger opaque objects like coins. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.